Good morning. Today it's sauce day. We wash a tomato and we start to clean it and then we boil. We wash a tomato, we clean it like this, we cut it and then we boil it. We already cut the tomato, now we boil a little bit, then we strain it and we start to put in the machine. Just to strain the tomato, the one that I already boiled. I want to explain to you how we did strain the sauce yesterday when we make a sauce. After we boil in the pot, I put this crate here because there's a drain and the water can go out. And I put this little basket and this like a tablecloth, micro linen. I put in here and then we put the tomato in there so the water strain, and after we do with the machine we make a sauce. We strain it because it's good to get most of the water out, the juice. Make the sauce nice and thick. This is my electrical machine that we make a sauce with. It's called Fabio Leonardi. Now I put another lot to cook. Now we strain it, the tomato, we put in the machine and we start to do the sauce. Like this. When you do one lot, put the skin back. And mince it again. Twice. Put the skin twice to make the sauce thicker. Now put the salt. Mix. Then taste. A little bit more. And now we fill it up in bottles. Now put the basil in the bottles, each one. Got the basil from my garden. Now fill it up in bottle like this. Tasty crisp.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Very nice.
This is the result of the sauce. We fill it up a bottle. Now they're gonna go in there and we're gonna boil. Boil for about an hour and then we stop the fire and take it out to tomorrow morning out of the drum. Now all the bottle inside the drum and we're gonna put the water to cover up and I gotta boil at least for an hour in low heat. And then we stop the fire and leave until tomorrow morning and then we take it out. I put it to sleep. They can go for a sleep. When you put the bottle, before you put in the drum or the pot, put some cloth underneath, then the bottles, then another cloth on the top so the bottle doesn't move much when they boil. And gotta fill it up with water to cover the bottles. It gotta boil for about an hour and a half in low heat. Beautiful bottle, beautiful sauce.